Armenian words that don't exist in English. Picture this. You're at a wedding watching the happy couple. You turn to your single friend next to you, wanting to say something special, something that wishes them the same joy, but your next just sounds blunt, maybe even a little bit pushy. It doesn't have the warmth, the hope, the little bit of celebratory magic you're looking for. English just seems to be missing the right words. Well, in Armenian, there is a perfect phrase for that. In fact, the Armenian language is packed with incredible words that don't have a simple English equivalent. These aren't just words, they are keys to a unique way of looking at the world. Each one carries centuries of history, tradition, and the soul of the Armenian people. Today, we're exploring some of these beautiful, untranslatable terms. Phrase 1. Տարոսը ձեզ. So let's go back to that wedding. The phrase you might reach for is Տարոսը ձեզ. At first glance, you could translate it as the same to you, but it's so much more specific. Taros Adzes is a blessing said almost exclusively at weddings by guests to the single people there. It means, may this same happiness be yours, or more casually, may you be the next one to get married. But unlike a sharp you're next, Taros Adzes is soaked in warmth and communal hope. Imagine a huge Armenian wedding. The music is thumping, the dance floor is full, and the food is overflowing. An older aunt, beaming, might pull her unmarried niece aside and say with a knowing smile, Taros a kiss. It's not pressure, it's an invitation into the circle of happiness. It's a way of saying, we celebrate this love today and we're already excited to celebrate yours. It's a beautiful cultural moment that congratulations just can't touch. Phrase 2. Haves. Okay, from the deeply profound to a word that captures everyday joy, the word is Haves. Haves has no single English equivalent. It's a mood, a vibe, a feeling of interest, enthusiasm, a motivation, all rolled into one. You either have Haves or you don't have Haves. For instance, if a friend asks you to go out, you might say Haves chunem, which means I don't have harvest for it. It's not just that you're not interested, it's that you lack the specific energy or desire for that activity right now. You can eat with harvest, work with harvest, or dance with harvest. Even we say like that. Հավեսով աշխատել, հավեսով ապրել. Imagine a perfect summer evening with friends and great food. You might lean back and say, Ինչ հավես է, meaning what a great հավես is this, how cool it is. It captures the entire pleasant atmosphere in a single perfect word. Phrase 3. Բաղնիքդ անուշ. Here is a charming little phrase for an everyday moment. Բաղնիքդ անուշ. To be honest, this is my favorite. Literally, it translates to may your bath be sweet. So this is what you say to someone after they have taken a shower or bath. English has no equivalent for this. We might say enjoy your bath or enjoy your shower beforehand, but this is a blessing offered afterward. The word anush means sweet, and it's used here to mean pleasant and refreshing. The phrase probably comes from a time when bathing was a much bigger ordeal. Wishing someone a sweet bath was a genuine wish for their comfort. Phrase 4. Vochinch. This next word seems simple, but its power lies in its incredible versatility. The word is vochinch. Literally, vochinch means nothing, But in conversation, it's an emotional multi-tool. It's the Armenian way of saying, it's okay, no problem, don't worry about it. It's a verbal brush off for any trouble, big or small. Imagine someone apologizes for being a few minutes late. You would say, love, vocinci, meaning don't worry, it's not a problem, it's not a big deal. If a child falls but isn't seriously hurt, a parent might say, vocinci, vocinci, to suit them, like saying you're okay, everything is fine. It's also used when asked how are you as a standard response similar to not bad. Phrase 5. Tsavatanem. Now, for a phrase that's one of the most profound expressions of empathy you'll ever hear. Tsavat. Literally, it means let me take your pain. And this isn't a metaphor, it's an expression of love so deep that you are literally offering to carry someone's suffering. It goes miles beyond I'm sorry you are hurting. It's a profound offer to trade places. Think of a child who's fallen and scraped their knee. As their mother cleans the cut, she might whisper, she's saying like, I love you so much. I wish I could take this pain from you and feel it myself. It's also used for emotional pain. If a friend is heartbroken, Tsavatanem, when you say Tsavatanem, it shows your deep solidarity. It's an expression born from a history where suffering was often a shared experience, and the ultimate act of love was to shoulder someone else's burden. Language is not just for talking, it's a living map of a culture's heart and history. Learning these phrases doesn't just grow your vocabulary, it expands your understanding of what it means to be human. What's your favorite word from this list? Or even better, is there an untranslatable word from your own language that you love? Drop it in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this little trip into the Armenian language, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye!